Hello everyone, today is the first weed of the series and this one's common everywhere up and down the eastern seaboard of Australia, and it's Lantana. I'm sure pretty much everyone's quite familiar with it even if you don't know its name. It's Lantana camara and it's from Central to South America. It was brought over as a little garden plant because it has these beautiful little flowers, and the distinguishing features is it does have quite a smell. It's got square sort of stems and lots of little thorns and these lovely little flowers that it has on year round. So get a little close up of that, Aussie. Yeah, so these flowers are really good for pollinators like butterflies, stuff like that, and as you can see this is a whole gully of just Lantana. And what we're doing here is basically just slowly clearing the Lantana out of the natural tree line, and we're getting heaps of really good regen come up once that Lantana's cleared away. And just every year we're kind of pushing an extra metre or two down the hill. Like this whole gully, looking at it, it's probably a 50-year job or something like that. You can eat the berries. I've read in a few sources, and then a few other sources say that it's poisonous. I do know there's a few different forms of Lantana, and this one, the pinky sort of purple flowered one that you get up on the range where we are up in Jinnaburra country, is a lot easier to hand pull. It sort of grows into more of a vine and gets bigger, and then in your drier areas along the coast itself, you're much more likely to get the reddy sort of orange flowered one, which is harder to pull out, a lot more multi-stemmed, and is poisonous to cattle, so the farmers really don't like this one. We pretty much just hand pull as much as we can, and when we do get one that breaks off or it's a really big one, we'll just cut it and paint it with 50/50 chem. And anything else about... they do have a little leaf hopper, like a little tiny sap-sucking insect that does get on the Lantana, but it doesn't do any real damage. It's a pretty easy plant to work with. It's like nothing's really popping up through a patch of Lantana until we clear it. So yeah, that's Lantana camara. Very common weed and very much the bane of our existence. Now turn it off!